Hello friends, welcome to my channel Future Bird with Keshav, and today we will talk about difference between slice and substring in JavaScript. So both functions extract a substring from a string, okay? And we have a two big difference between slice and substring. So first is with slice, when you enter a negative number as an argument, the slice interpret is as counting from the end of the string. With substring, it will treat a negative value as 0. So if we pass any negative number in the slice method, so what it does, it interprets and counting from the last index of the array, okay, or last index of the string. But when we pass negative value in the substring, so it don't take a negative value, it make it 0 and starting from the 0 number index, okay. And big difference is that when substring, if the first argument is greater than second argument in the substring, if a first argument is greater than second argument, then it will swap them, okay. And in slice, when first argument is greater than second argument, so what it does, it returns the empty string, okay. And the similarity is that using the both method we can copy the string, okay. So let's take a look with the Visual Studio, then you have a idea how to work with substring and slice. So one side we have a browser and one side we have a Visual Studio, okay. So here open the console here, okay. So here I have taken a string future bird with Keshav. Okay. So what is the first difference is that, take a look here. First difference. So first difference is that if we enter a negative number in the slice, okay. So direct console.log, okay, and string dot slice, okay, and pass any negative number. So what it does, slice method counting from last index of the string, okay. So when control S, then when refresh the browser, then you can see it count from last index of the number -1 and -2, okay. But in the case of substring, it doesn't start from last index of the array, it make negative value to 0, convert it 0. So string dot substring, okay, and take a -1, okay. So what it will does, it will make 0, okay. So it make it 0 and starting from the F, okay. This is the first difference of the slice and substring. And second big difference is what, when we in the second big difference, if the first argument is greater than the second argument in substring, so what it will does, substring swap them, but slice returns a empty string. So let's see. In the slice method, string dot slice, when first argument is greater than greater than second argument, if first argument is greater than second argument, so what slice does, slice return a empty string, okay. When you refresh the page, you can see it returns nothing, means a empty string, okay. But when we talk about the console, But when we talk about the substring, so what it will does, control C, control V. So when first index is greater than last index in the substring, so it swap them. So when it is a 6 comma 1, so it swap and make 1 comma 6. Okay, so you can see it started from the index number 1 and go to the index number 6. Okay, so f is the index number 0 and u is the index number 1, so it's from the u and go to the e. Okay, 6 number of string. This is the second difference between slice and substring, and both have a similarity is that both is used to copy the array. Okay, in string dot slice. Okay, and other take substring string dot substring. Okay, so what with both does, this is the similarity, it will shallow copy of the string. You can see it take the shallow copy of the string. Okay, that's the difference between slice and substring. And uh, this question is come in the interview, then you can tackle with that video. Okay, and if you want the link, then you can copy from the description box and you can copy the code here. Okay, so thank you for the watching.